In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can erase an HP laptop here on Windows 10. This method also does work on Windows 11, but before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but begin by going to the search bar and you need to go ahead and type in reset this PC just like so, and go ahead and click on it to open up your settings. Now once you're in here, and keep in mind you can also get here by going to settings and then system and recovery. You just need to hit reset PC just like so, and then choose between either keep my files, which keeps your personal data, or remove everything, which will fully wipe that laptop. If you want a full reset, you're going to want to select remove everything. And then from here, you need to choose how to reinstall Windows. There's a few different things. You could do cloud download, which allows you to reinstall Windows from the internet, or local reinstall, which uses files already on your laptop. Choose one of these two options and you're good to go. But review everything, hit next, confirm, and your laptop will restart and begin erasing all of your data. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.